How you doing? It's Ryan with First In. We're looking at a Ford F-150 Lightning. As most of them are coming with is the console shifter. So what we've done is we've redesigned our F-150 console to accept the shifter with the mounting brackets and everything. And then we can also help you get a list of the parts that you need to cover up the dash panel to reintegrate to make it look like it's factory. You can have some mounting equipment up front, mounting equipment back. You can have a pocket, you cannot. You can do the raised armrest. So pretty much any other design that we normally have, just adapted now with the floor shifter. So this fits the F-150 Lightning and the F-150s with the floor shifter. If you have an oddball vehicle, such as something coming like this that's popular, we are able to build a custom console just like we did with this one. We've done it with the Expedition, as long as we have the vehicle, and we can work on the reintegration of one of our custom consoles to your needs.